how to make a game pass in Roblox. So, hello everybody. In this video, let's make a Roblox game pass step by step. We'll keep it very simple and beginner friendly. So let's just get started. So we can head over to roblox.com, and what you need to understand is that you must own the game, or you must be the game owner, and Roblox account must be 7+ days old, and you will need Robux to upload the icon, usually 50 Robux. So we can create up the Roblox, the game pass. For that, we can look out for roblox.com and look out for the create option in the top. And within there, look out for passes section here. So go over to go over to this section here on your left hand side and go to passes. For that, you can go to one of your experience, and from your left hand side, look out for this section called monetization and directly find this option called passes. After you have selected this passes, you can look out for this option called create a pass. Click on it, and then we can either upload an image and icon or leave it as it is, and we can name it. So you can just go over and name it. After that, you can even add up a description if you want, and you can click on this option called create pass, and your game pass will be directly created. Now we can set up the price. For that, we can look out for a pass that we've created and look out for the three dot right beside it. Click on it, and you can look out for this option of sales here, or if not here, you can double click on your pass and we can look out for sales option here, and there we can turn on this option called item for sell, toggle it on, and set the price for the Robux. After that, we can click on save changes and save it up. Now if you want to use a game pass in your game, you can just go over to one of the games, such as in Roblox itself, let's say. So in Roblox itself, one of the game that you can use is Please Donate. So for that, I can directly search for Please Donate. And once you find the game, you can head over to the in experience and create up your own stand where you can sell the item, like sell your Robux, and that way you can just go over and use that game pass in your Roblox. But usually this is how you should be able to make the game pass in Roblox very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.